Draw.
From the rear.
Just lose boleh. Aish. Oh.
The great buster that is down.
Segan.
You've seen gaps start to come. That ball is headed really well. Because then look at Alfred. From the behind, it's a very risky tackle over there. But he manages to get the ball first, but the first touch was not really good. The goalkeeper comes out for a save. Stuff over here, the gaps coming in. Yeah, thankfully Alfred got the ball first. But yeah, after Ashraf goes down.
Come on here.
That is what is done to any of the shots are injured and
Like kelama serse naideng.
try to let the pressure ease. At times the keepers hit the net.
Live naik asnya live naik ada man. Live naik asnya live.
But again, this is at times a strategy of getting the gaps. The greatest coaches do ask their keepers to maybe go down rather to ease a little bit. Yeah.
Wow. Like kelama like.
Keepers are really sharp.
Really clever.
Really clever.
Pantai dekhi dia. Dosi dekhi dia. Kau beda dia. Regular kerja itu.
That can really give them a respite.
$2 hafi kena bor bajagna.
And particularly when
Mangkrinya. Thas tu mami dosi man. Turun kap naik asnya. Like kelama
But well blocked there on the left. Sana.
Sasna lam lam bola.
Kaya balik kor jalan.
Which they're intending.
Like is left. Like kelam like gezuau.
And goal space created by attacking. And this time he did pretty well. He blocked that because slowly and steadily
Draw.
have come into
Corner mana corner.
flow in the attack. They really know exactly where to exploit. And this time,
Kana yang jenis jalan apa ni mana? Holy Sorona.
sure Kayum will be the man who will understand that the gaps have been given. They have started allowing.
Like kelam ser pedang ni.
They're given that
Ada man.
road for Bodoland to come and entry.
Back. Oh no. Boria. Dekai dina. Dekai beda kan gol jaman na.
Intended
Draw sa dong Bortoman dah ya.
central defender who didn't manage to get the header going.
Better nama bis nama.
Still fast midway in the first half.
Digil jang naik sih.
Still 0-0. Here at the interval.
Still Silong kalah Ports.
Mulai zero berapa bisa kamai nih hasil. CCTV je zena TV ya. CCTV osna gasnya.
In shape in the defense. Didn't really catch on, especially that Robinson turn.
Mabas nama. Windows slot baik nama.
Bye. Dia. Like kalang deh, ona nih.
On the right.
Harus super queen warna.
Buat lah ya, biar kamar kamlai.
Kalama. Nuzman.
Border police.
Gua kalamarin nuzula.
Pemain sudah juga kalian hire.
Look at that defender. Salah simply keeping his body. That's the technique.
Direct live copyright punya direct live ba.
Don't give him the space.
Maze lo kita kan isi.
The globe is
39.
something the youngsters will really love to watch.
Kewar.
Here's a stop from the northern.
Gol jahang maksa kan orang isinya.
Combining the love for the game, the beautiful game of football in the region.
I am from Nepal. Okay. I am from Bodoland, bro.
That is possibly the most important thing in the team.
Urun Tapa Nepal. Oh, 7 number. 7 number apa ni le?
Oh, great very fast,
Nepal ni.
but it's quite easy for Kaimari. Maybe he's got the first touch of the game. Kamran always wanted.
19 number Bodoland FC Halisaran Nanjari
Runs and moves are
Dia
very
ada मोजां देखाय ada
unpredictable for the defense to really.
देखायजोबनो हाया फंबाय माबा कपिराइट फैयो
फैसा हरो
This is apps not support from Nepal okay
The professional stuff coming out
I update from
and the event
3 मिनिटावनो
मैं अपडेट करेगा आपको आप लाइव देखते रहना
लो बैलेंस
is developing conservations to prevent the El Nino effect. But you also the challenge
draw
the platform
draw match
for the youngsters to come up.
I am from Bodoland
Northeast, and they are a factory of making players. But slowly and steadily, we are seeing different regions coming up. We are going to watch the Jammu and Kashmir really getting into that area where they try to create, give
like
jobs,
Togo
give opportunities to players, especially the youngsters. And what a philosophy of the team, to get into that region, up to Ladakh, to find youngsters, to get into the highest stage of football in the Durand Cup. Return.
hey hatar sigman
Just couldn't get the
shit
You just have to change the direction.
oh my god
$250 को फंबाय
A 1-1 and
Đây, sự sinh đó.
उम्रेनि बोलाय
oi
responsibility.
Holisaran abat no domle
Really
बादना हरदोंमोन
बानायना हरदोंमोन ra
गारदोंमोनबो नै एसेबाबा
he
जाबायमोन
just was dislodged with the very presence of
Mari
in
Zaka.
front of him. Must have lost the sight of the ball, the last movement. That's the reason why the ball placed off
draw match
his head.
para kita bertanya ale na
Safety.
copyright fee
We'll get for the hydration break in the mandatory one
Agla
from the
sih.
first half. And the
आता जायो माथो
one from
Liling gedeng
Kashmir
ya
surely
Break.
needs it because they're coming
Drinks
from
break.
an altitude.
the Holi is
on
so
to
good
Guwahati.
yes Holi is
Because
so good
Bodoland, the players mostly from the Assam region.
I don't know
And they're
today
quite
what happened
accustomed, quite acclimatized with the region. And you know how important the
like horlai deh ang like hornango ang niफ्राय जानाय नङा आं एक्सप्रेस जायो like
got a good amount of chances that Bodoland had over there, clearly over here, just to strike, wrap the ball around his feet. What a chance that going, but slowly and steadily we saw this combination really working.
फिसा फिसा मोनो
And
सानलाय
it
बे
was
मोननाया
interesting over here that he couldn't just finish it. Brilliant piece of work once again. That shot coming in. Look at that defender does everything to keep him balanced. The easy one, but this Hazari versus Robinson was brilliant over here.
Uria ba no demen Uria lai
Could strike.
cie ban jaसिगोन आरो
Robinson need to be more clinical.
मा ओंखाम संखोना माखो
Of the goal.
जानो
माथो ओंखाम खालामनो
There's a
मोनामोन
bit of
Nas Khamko.
pressure coming from the opposition defenders. He just has to keep his cool, and he has done that well in the past. Need to do it better. They're talking about the journey of Bodoland. The last season they played all their games at the high-size stadium in Kokrajar in their own backyard, and they even lost the quarterfinal to what you may call it now the nemesis
सुबाम
to the Northeast United FC by 4-0, where Alvin Azores scored a couple of goals. Yeah, that was something. A nice
like
shot
kalam
over
like
there.
kalam
Shakir is the man to watch. He's not faltered a long time. He's not got that ball that can really get him in front of the goal. But if he can get there, he's clinical too. Roll that ball.
คนอื่นเทิบน้ำหมา
That was quick
ได้
over
คือชื่อ
there.
บ้าล่ะ
Sharp, crisp, but not to the right direction.
Sony live
Hayat Bashir has to be more clinical. Yeah, that was a great variation. If you look at that, everybody was forced. The defense was forced. He goes on to the
Oh
left,
my
makes a shot.
God.
We know what he can do. Last time,
Oy,
he
मोजां
got his
दं
team's
ने
winner.
मोजां जादोंमोन एसे गोजों खनाजों थांबावनायबो जागौसोमोन
नै shots
So again,
खनबा मोनबाय Bodoland FC आ
Kashmir still no
One
shots
target.
on target. And he was mentioning about
Please like and subscribe,
the
yes.
region of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh.
See it
Now,
live
Ladakh
not
has
the
a
face.
stadium inlaid
Okay.
at an altitude of 11,000 feet.
Copyright फैयो copyright. मुखां खिथा जाया बारा.
For a pre-season tournament is wonderful.
Yeah, it's always important to start looking out for players from this region because they are very sturdy, very strong on their lower body. They can actually take on 90 minutes easily. And that's going to be interesting if the geographical condition of India is so suitable that you get heavy bodies, tall players from the north and south. You get some very creative players.
Mama cross
From the
ice
middle of the
pace.
country like Kolkata and all. And northeast is absolutely something that we can always go home talking.
Good touch shot.
Ice lagi di luar ni.
Bodoland again. Finding.
Okay जेबो जाया.
Lovely combination play there.
Copyright फैले ना.
Making all those runs down the left channel.
50 something.
Yeah, I think that's going to be interesting to watch. Timothy on one side, Kalicharan on the other side. But Norbert is not really involved in this. We've seen him in the early phase of the match that he got on the ball, trying to combine with Robinson, but he needs to be more responsible up in the midfield.
One day.
Yeah, the ball did not curve at all. Well, a brilliant ball from the left side, just did not curve, just went down straight to the goalkeeper. But the idea over there was to move into attack in a quick transition, and that's exactly what we want to see them do time and again, every time they get the possession of the ball.
Hali Sharon.
Have some support. And the back of going to the left channel. And he mentioned about the talent being improved and ground being the right current cup. The last 6 years, Gayari, Bodo and Christian turning. Goes out
Oi, 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 oi.
Salah.
Lên nó được.
Physical presence there.
So differently once again from Salah, that tussle between Gary and Salah is going to go on in the rest of the match. But look at him, he just looks his feet every time. Gary tries to turn him around, but the referee calls it a push from behind. What a player he is. If he can get that space behind the defender, I think he can mesmerize. And 1v1 is very important for him to clear the ball.
Hả? Má hử.
There is a man with that kind of quality.
About discipline, interesting, very, very careful with FC, one from Kashmir, 2 yellow cards and a red card as well.
Nama
And they
Imam
made
Islam.
67
Màu gì mới ra bờ khẩn thế à? Copyright फैयो खागली.
Against the Here is highest. Those 4 in the previous game.
Đây, draw ra draw.
There's a man called Shubham Sargi.
Bisa gitu sampai ke.
Nicely
Sampai
blocked.
ke?
Gentleman Robinson was trying to get into that attacking. Look
Ôi
at
thôi,
that.
thôi, đừng có cari
They have
hidung
to
mana
bring
dia.
him down because both of them have got such a solid lower strength, Both of them really tussling for that ball. This time the referee gave the other way around.
The from Uzbekistan, one who has been called up to the India under-17 in the past. What doing?
Vanua kan ni.
Tries to take possession. He can screen the ball well. A bit of pressure from Bodoland, anxious to get that opener, but this time, absolutely they were not in the right direction. There were unforced errors.
Hali Sharon.
Passing that this man has, Ali Charan. A little bit of frustration creeping in because he's been putting that ball from that end, at least from 3 occasions. But there was a clear chance to really hit the target.
Sure
Robinson
right
has
in.
not been able to really get under it.
and get that shot.
फुल लालाय मबाइलखौ फुल लाबा मोजां नुवा फंबाय
And that's going to be worrying them.
हारसिं लुगाव जायो नामा लगिन खालामबाय थाबाथाय
नै फन बुहरबायलै थानांसिगोन
Always looking for chances. He's done well in the last game. Though Bodoland were absolutely
कमेन्टखौ फराय मावजि फंबाय अके फरायगासिनो फुटबल नायनायाव गोसो होदों जों
दायो अबे थानांगौ सिना बाजिना
बे ओरै सिदा थांबानो मोनबाय
बेला माजिना
looking for
बैयो मेन रड मोनहैगोन बेयाव मेन रड मोननानै ओमफ्राय ओरै सिदा
अबेजों बेला माजिना
and
थानांगौ
River
Oh, I know,
are
I'll
playing
have
for Kolkata
लांफैनो ओरै
for
बेहाय
the
नङाबा
downtown heroes. And in the game against East Bengal, he scored that goal. Though they lost 3-1.
फैगोन ना फैया
Downtown
Here.
heroes to East Bengal.
नों थुनहरा नों थुनहर
Yeah, that's interesting. Alfred has got the speed, the pace that he can really fire on the wings, but he's not been able to get that service from the midfielders, and that's going to be
यार लिंहरदोरा
very interesting how the coach gets
फैयो
stopped there.
लिंहर
नों लिंहररा
हा
The second half.
लिंहरबानोलाय नोंलाय बिसिनाव दंमोन आंना नै लाइभ होनाया बोरैजों हरनो
It's because it has been
फैयोलै
absolute
जेबो नङा
silence.
नयनो बुंखादोंमोन आं बुंनायालाय
मा
Or even
That's not
time,
okay, man.
Bashir as well. And after in Parai, mostly is defending. So I think the script has to change for Khalid Qayyum. One himself,
इसिबां आर्जेन्ट नङालै बिसिना
midfielder. This Khalid Qayyum, a defensive midfielder though. And River, once he played a game in the I-League, in fear of losing his place in the squad
हा
with a
दा
broken
होसोलाय बेखौ
ankle.
ए नों बुंखायाखै
Incredible.
Yeah, that's the passion that we talk about football, you know, when we talk about football.
गाइस
Here, it's just giving away the ball in the middle of the park. It's what you do after that.
नै किपारा लागायहरबाय
बोरैबादि
Saw
स्पिन
that
लादों गैला
arriving Shakir. And remember, Shakir in the local Kashmir circuit is called Pogba. After that great Frenchman for his shooting prowess, Paul Pogba.
Yes. Yeah, I think he's got the strength, you know. We seen him last time, how he finished the ball in that penalty area.
That was too risky from Aftab Ashraf. He had Robinson waiting there high up. But she challenged well once again by this new kid sort of thing.
टाइम गैयालै सोर साबसिन कमेन्ट फरायनो एथ' ज्राव ज्राव फैनायावलाय
This is one who's young, one come from
बोरो
Delhi circuit.
सिनायालै नोङो बेयावलाय बोरै नो कमेन्टखौलाय कमेन्टखौ बोरै मिथिनो होनदां
That tempo in the midfield, you need to give the possession, but right now we've seen that the transitions, there are a little bit of counter attacks that FC1 want to try to do that. So the deep defense over there, Shubham and Gaurav have really kept that
deep Steve, no corner.
tight over there. Look at
जोंनाव दं होननानै मिथिया
deep in the own half, they create that space up front.
फैनानै
Over to and
साराय
Brahma
सारायथो जाबाय
over there.
नामा
हा
थांनानै नेना
The
फैनोसै
arbiter and all
नालै
the
लांफैगोन मालाय
Gary
फुटबल नायब्रा दसेबाव
trying to do his
खामानि
level
गैखायालाय आरो
best, making that one
मा
man
होनो
extra.
मोना मोना
माबा माबि बायना लाबोला बायदों
Break this
मा
lock.
मालायबा ओंखाम जाहरनाय
And hurry.
आं जानो गैया ओंखायनो आं बे आन टाइमाव फैखादों आङो ओंखाम जाबोला
Passment from Manabir. Again, as I just mentioned some time back, errors. Look at the passes, no pressure.
अरे कनांगौ
Maybe sometimes you wonder, you know, when you are on the wings, you have one beard there getting up into the attack, you have Timothy, you've got Gary. And all of a sudden you just lose the concentration, just give away that ball in the middle of the park for an advantage to the opponent.
आं
You
थांबाय
need to be a
आं
little
बाराबो सिनायला
more
ना
combative, you need to be a little more resilient there inside the middle of the park.
बेसेबां गोजान
Money.
आंबो मिथिया
होमबालाय आं हैना फैब्रबो
Regular sim cash for.
फैफिनगोन नोङो
फैखाबायना नोङो
But you know, wonderful journey from Kashmir.
दायो बे लामाजों ओरै थांनांगोन दा
The boys are from a region, no stadium. It's only a few covered with dust. But when your eyes are fixed on green,
फैफिनगोन नोङो
you can go a distance.
Gar labang ini
outside
kok.
over there.
Yeah.
And that's the opportunity that the youngsters need over there. They need an
Kenapa ini malah?
outlet where they can display
Kita naik
their
ombak.
skill.
Naik lah.
It's been 31 degrees Celsius.
Salman being on that end, really trying to go very close, body to body. This is a physical battle.
Break, Jordan, break.
He just kept himself leached like a leech to him.
Break out dong, break. Dealing dong.
Keeps himself so close.
Ayo, mau nak tu Holy Surona.
A little bit frustration keeping that.
Holy Surona mau nak tu ni.
There like
Push, Vlan nak raya ni. Vlan nak raya ni.
temper down there. It's not a battle.
Lagau, Vlan nak tu ni. Ro nai.
There is a referee there. There has to be some decision over here from the referee.
But tell you what, Henry,
Repeat dengan Ro.
throughout his career,
Nak raya malah.
he never normally reacts. He's a very cool and composed footballer since his early days of from the arrows to the devil.
Laika dosta lo faideung, Rajiv beri jaku. Pernah he.
Traveled across that. He's always been very cool, but this time somewhat, you correctly mentioned, could be the frustration. Because Bodoland are so very eager to get that lead goal, in which they have still been giving.
So shall we say that FC
Asram mana le asram maran susah mana.
really happy to do that. A little bit frustrating moment. That it is frustrating. The
Half time jaga sindan hello ni.
half time behind them
44 minutes tambah.
to get into the
Kila naik dengan ada ni, syar dengan apa nurba.
Looks for the other foreigners.
Sudah.
Foreigners in this squad.
Beri jaku. Syah.
Played by Zambia.
Oi, mama di jaku.
Better with a cushion finish.
Jala. Fish.
ini ke bang sangat nggak sih lo?
Very good. Not critical once again.
Fish borba. Beri jabu nago.
Man, Haricharan has done everything possible to do to bring that quality inside. And look at him. His focus is so good. He's seen on the far end. Gary there just had to keep his composure and keep that ball tight, straight in the target. Let the goalkeeper do his work. But nevertheless, that also was a begging.
30 minit barai bawa apa yang sekian. Ang kulai mana mau sih nol berhak kera. Isyarat dekatnya hedeng.
There's just one shot on target from the
Syari kan nazar ya lai.
Muzang dekatnya guna.
Copyright fee le phag le. Copyright fee.
And here they haven't scored.
Rawu
any.
dekatnya apa yang mesti ada.
And 4 minutes of additional time, and we are now into the
Ma khobor ada gaham break nang lai sigan bro di nei. Dekaya ba.
They've defended as a unit.
job.
I would say, especially all kudos to that.
Half time dah sini, half time.
Came in absence of Armand. He's done a pretty good job.
4 minit barai nak ubah.
Balls that have come into the deep defense.
Sorry,
That's really heartening to watch when there is pressure. You don't panic. And
Live please. Okay, don't worry.
Zahid, Clark, Salman, and Salam. You've seen how much strength they've shown to keep Gary and Robinson at bay. Halicharan on the left hand.
Mari sedang
To really get on and show his powers on those crosses.
Oi, China now 13 no like pedang deh. Rajiv tuna ada brown nane.
62 inches
Super point tuna ada.
across southern India. Kerala Blasters reserves, Red Kashmir, downtown.
Ya boleh narah ada. Sini yang kita bumpray.
Had been in Kolkata as well.
Lagau, boria. Pune ho.
Gau harsi. Ayo.
Sun brand ke ya.
Tadi sudah namun
Dabodong.
Ila gaya dah lebih kerja hari. Macam salam na. Media tu semua.
You've got so many experienced players in Bodoland FC.
Chesle, hone chesle.
Timothy, Brahma,
예, 많은 판이 나르나고
just
있으란 거 사이에
cannot really
형님이랑.
keep their composure in that area. You need to be very,
세
very
18월
composed
문신아
if you want to get
일로
the
15인치
goals. But on the other hand, there is a free kick.
You're very
세 페널티 복스나마
invited that challenge from Brahma.
Yeah, that's why you see
멋있네요.
players like this have got a presence of mind. When
Yeah.
they're there, they don't have the support and they are crowded by the
Jump back,
people.
Ale.
Just hold on to the ball.
라이브 채널 브로 소니 라이브 소니 라이브
Can they pull out one from here?
소니 라이브
Well, that could be against the run of the play because
네네네네 페널티 주스 페널티 매치
in the first
Laga.
they sit back and defend, and they haven't come into the attack. Will be Farhan, right foot and
Wow, Boria.
absolutely.
보리야
Yeah, I think a little more effort on that. That was very-
Like Togo, 20 हो गया.
Without any idea. There was no pace in that ball to really curl or dip over there. What a
Right,
chance that
Togo
was for him.
지금.
Just could not hit the target.
양곤이
Very sad about that.
만시아는 자야खै दिनैना स्टेडियामाव दाख्लै 6 गल सोजानायखाय जायाखै मानसिया दिनै
The compactness in the defense had been.
Yes.
자크.
My God, 스투룰라.
Again, a friend.
나르다 힘들래 봐라 근데 그러가
하나는 골프도 시
So he
쌍쌍은
had support on both the sides
달라진 거야.
of the park. The final seconds here at the Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium in Guwahati. Farhan Fayyaz changing direction, going to Salman Latif in support.
Live
We were
channel,
talking
please
about
bro,
this.
you Sony Live.
Zahid Yusufi mentioned
가자 볼래
correctly, but still,
뭐 하려면?
Halftime.
it's a whistle from
나는
the
거름 나는 거름
referee Mitchell Kumar Kundu from
나는 아니야 안 하는 게
indicating that no more action
Una Pekindra.
in the
나는 뭐 말을 내가
45
지금
minutes.
가만히 얘기해 마보.
The match number 21.
라즈군 굴빌레 문제.
The halftime score. Nothing separate.
이제 호라즈군 굴빌레
Bodoland FC.
어리셔 심어서 어리셔 어리셔.
Won by Bodoland. At least they stand to that.
Of course, 75% possession there for Bodoland, but look at the number of shots on target. 7 shots, 2 on target. And they have been the one team over there in the attacking third. They've been superb there in terms of territory capture, but they have not been able to dent with any goals on the board.
Yes, of course, they had a lot of territorial advantage. The field as well. What matters is
Halftime 잡아요. halftime guys.
look at that wonderful initiative they
가만히 얘기해볼래 빈드 나이네.
climate preservation and
Wrong.
they started attacking Bodoland from the word go. They go to man Robinson and here Saurga, Subham Sarangi right there.
헤이 우르복.
Yeah, simply superb tackling over there from the captain. He really played
halftime 자령 halftime 들어봐 대 lượng nó 시발로 그냥
on
하건.
the side of the wing and try to combine with Robinson. Just not getting that pace on that ball.
사울 거기서 갖다 놔라 마비야. Game you not focus on the game. Okay, I don't know bro. Copyright आ सकता है भाई ज़्यादा दिखाने से आयेट
This man, Ali Chern, was the man of the half. He's shown a lot of composure, but here, a little bit of frustration and push. Lucky for him, he got the answers for that.
Well, the card should have been out. And this Gayari, of course, could have finished 10 out of 10 times, but just a little push and finish the right foot to the right ear. So nothing separates the two sides as we
अरे यार साबिखौनो बावलांबाय नै सासेया गारि साबि